Spoiler alert, not a lot.
Brought the bottle, gonna follow out a boy, waddle to the Waldo, where's Elgato, Kitty, and the Paso, Peso, wait, the hands on.
Just a quick note before we start all of this. If you have yet to put yourself in the draw for one of 3 custom artworks from yours truly, and you are watching this before Tuesday night, then please go get in there. Leave a comment, get yourself in the draw for some custom artwork, and if you're a winner, I'll reach out to you by Wednesday or Thursday. So what does it take to get on YouTube and start making videos, get over 100 subscribers? We'll say is the milestone that you want to achieve, because it's the only one I've got under my belt. Ooh, hold on. This is still open. That should be better. Oh, I need a beer. All right, we're back. Today we're actually rocking a non-alcoholic because, well, I would not like to be an alcoholic. Yeah, onto the actual thing. Rack up the money. Let's see what the charges are like. So, I'm not going to include things like my laptop for obvious reasons, because I assume most people have a laptop and they didn't buy it to do YouTube. You probably just own one. But something you probably don't own just because it's one of these. This bad boy. Picking up the juicy, crisp audio. So this is the blue snowball. It was $50. Put that onto our list, but we put an asterisk by it because I got this as a gift before I started doing YouTube. It was initially actually intended to be for podcasts. And then I took 2 years to not do anything, and then I started this. What happened in those 2 years? Something I did buy specifically for YouTube are these. These are my lavalier microphones. So they're the little clip-on bad boys. They go on the shirt. It took me ages to figure out how to get them to work, but they work now. I think they were a good investment. That's $20 on the ping, $20. Hey. My camera was quite expensive. You see, it cost me about $500, but also it's my phone, which I owned before I started doing YouTube, and I own for other reasons, obviously, so take that off the startup cost list. I've heard there are dark places in the internet full of villains and goons and monsters, and in those dark, decrepit corners, you can find expensive editing software for free. Now listen, I'm not a goon, a villain, or a monster, but the stuff that I started with, I didn't pay for. And it's like $50 a month for every single Adobe application. Now I think that might be if you're a student exclusively, but if you're not a student, they allow you to say that you're doing homeschooling. And all you have to do is upload the receipt for the purchase of something curriculum related for wherever you are. So why would you not just purchase a, I don't know, $30 textbook that's part of the curriculum? Listen, it's kind of cheating. But if you are homeschooling yourself, I mean,
pros and cons.
I personally see myself as a student for life. I never want to stop learning. Wow, that Heineken went down fast. How much have I spent on marketing? Big fat $0. I recently just boosted a post with Facebook ads because they gave me a $20 credit, which is pretty cool, but I'm not going to spend any more on it. Because I want the moral of this video to be, hey, you don't need a lot of money to start this. You don't have to be rich. You don't have to have thousands saved up in the bank. You can just start. So I did also buy the tripod. That was a recent acquisition. Honestly, it was so worth it. It's a little mini phone tripod and it screws onto regular tripods. I have this old tripod that has been, geez, it was my father's, I think. I've had it for time immemorial. I've never used it until this point in my life, but I had this tripod.
NANI?
I haven't spent all that much on becoming a YouTuber, and you don't have to spend that much either. whatever your passion is, you can find a way to make it work. I've found a way to make this work, and no, I don't have 1,000 subscribers and I'm not monetized right now.
Thank you for reminding me.
But I'm happy with what I'm doing and it's growing. Last week I did my crossing 100 subscribers video and now I'm at 140. So hey, 40 in a week? Not bad. That's more than 5 a day. Mental math. I'm a smart cookie, right? But yeah, that's all I really wanted to talk about today, to be honest. Oh, there's a bee on my balcony. No jumping around all over the place, just me on the great big comfy couch here coming at you live, being real. Thank you if you listened this far. I hope I was able to make it kind of funny and enjoyable. I hope you like hanging out with me. I hope you had a good time. I certainly have a good time responding to the comments and reading and just feeling like there is actually a community here and people who care about what I'm doing. And people that I care about. I don't watch big YouTubers anymore, really. I watch all my friends on YouTube now, who I've connected with since doing this. So I got places to go. I got things to do. Have a blast, live the dream, and I'll catch you in a week.
Poppers, dreamers, winner, schemer, flipper, beamers, eating dinner, finger licking, gonna win a finish on the killing dome, trilling run, fuck a nice skillet done, skillet on skillet, I finished long, fishy been a minute one, minty yet another one, and icky but a bubble gone, honey one design the one to one, cat truck, triple zone, bats up, dumb hats off, 101.